How to fix Notion app not working. To fix a Notion app that is not working, first of all, check the official Notion status page to rule out server outage, and also try resetting the application's local data cache. First of all, launch or open your device's app drawer or app gallery. From here, locate the Notion application icon. Long press it, then access the app info panel by tapping on that eye icon. Then scroll downwards to the storage option, then tap on this clear cache and remove all the corrupted files within the application itself. And also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off all the VPN services. Now all you have to do is relaunch the application and your problem should be fixed. In case if it is not still working, you simply have to reinstall the application and sign in once again. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.